Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have an ECM Barista with a rotary pump. It is the precursor to the ECM Mechanica. It's basically the same, under a different name. This one came into the shop due to an electrical issue where the customer smelled smoke and then the machine wouldn't work anymore. It turns out when we opened it up, we found some pretty devastating damage originating from the SSR. It burnt a bunch of the wires, fused them together, all that. It scorched, the side of the side of the boiler. It caused damage to the heating element. To be safe, we ended up replacing this. It damaged the pressure stat, so we ended up replacing that. It also damaged the brew switch. So that was a big rewiring project. And then during the repair, the main board decided to finally give out. I was surprised how long it worked after that event, but not for long. So we ended up replacing the CPU as well. I'm going to turn this machine on and wait for it to heat up, and then I'll show you. So the machine is plugged in. See, we have a green power light, and then now the heating element light. This is controlled by the CPU, so we know that our CPU is functional, and we have it heating up. What I'm going to do, first of all, demonstrate the glue switch. You have the pump running, and water coming through. The water tank sensor. You can see that the light turns off. It stopped heating because the water tank is out, and now it's back on. Alright, and here we can see the pressure has reached 1.5 bars, and it stopped there. The pressure stat flipped, and now it's coming back down. There you have it. We have a fully functional ECM Barista. Thank you for watching.